Davis Junction, Kirkland, Kingston, New Milford, Lindenwood, Monroe Center and Fairdale. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 107 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 15 and 31. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeKalb County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. Another severe thunderstorm near Rockford may move into northern DeKalb County over the next hour. The following is a special weather statement from the National Weather Service. Heat index values between 95. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:45 p.m. for northeastern Ogle, northwestern DeKalb, southeastern Winnebago and southern Boone counties. At 4:53